There are three main reasons why I only show my clients the clickable prototype, either from a screen or a device. I forget where the device is. It's here. So the first thing is your client and you will sit in a room and you will leave the room by the end of the meeting with a strong yes or with a direction, because do not forget your client always have a better idea about their users. Make them feel that journey. And if you ask how many directions should I take, do not go 5 different, but go 3 different directions about the user journey, and let your client live that moment as if they were their own client. The second reason I would say is your developers. Instead of asking you many guesswork, they will have a strong foundation, an HTML file and a CSS file. If you say that I don't know how to write them, ask AI to do it for you. Since it will be a clickable prototype for them also, they can then ask you this type of input, something like the ghost state of that button that you never thought of, so that you can always go back to the technical side, your Figma, your components, and make all these changes right there and push all the changes to GitHub. This is where I host my static code. When you have a happy client and a happy developer, number 3 is you save a lot of time. And this time, by saving a lot of time, you will have more time to go back to your users and ask what is going on, if the journey is satisfying or not. And also you can have a lot of input from your clients, users, or developers, all of them combined. And when all these things compound, guess what? You will deliver projects every time a little bit faster. And by the end, you will have happy users because you deliver the work, happier developers that are willing to work with you in the future, and most importantly, happier clients that are willing to work with you, plus they will want to refer you for their friends or friends of a friend. I hope that helps.